I masungulo mantshwa ya mimfumo ya miganga van'watipolitiki lava veke etlhelo ku hambana ka vona ku tiyisisa mphakelo wa vukorhokeri eka vaaki hi ku tirhisana kun'we. Hi kona va sayina ntwanano wa ntirhisano endzhaku ka minkanerisano ya nkarhi wo leha kusukela ku ve na nhlawulo wa mimfumo ya miganga. Sweswi i nkarhi wa leswaku va tirhela vaaki.
There's been a lot of give and take and a lot of compromise. And I think if we can build on this spirit of give and take and compromise in the people's interest, I think we've taken those first tentative steps towards unseating the ANC in 2024.
John and I, Lucia, Mr. Groenewald, Dr. Groenewald, and our other colleagues from the IFP, ACDP, and other parties, thank you so much for putting South Africa first.
Mavandla man'wana va swiveke erivaleni leswaku va ta rhangisa ku korhokela vaaki.
I think today is historic in this sense that we can show to the world that also in South Africa we can have coalition governments.
What I liked about these negotiations is that when all parties came together, we all agreed on the same sentiments and the same objectives, that we want to see a government that will work for the people, a stable government that will create employment.
Comrades, we must remind each other, remind ourselves continuously what the people say they want. And what we really know, what we also know, is what the people want.
To be part of this type of a coalition, it would take the citizens to where they are supposed to be. Our people are suffering due to a governance that brought forth corruption that is stolen from them, that is stolen even their services, that is stolen, you name it, they are sitting there, they've got nothing. Now I'm happy because ACDP is a party that is based on one thing and one thing only: leaders of integrity and servanthood.
Sweswi vaaki va 20 wa timasipala lava rhangelaka hi mimfumo ya nhlengelo va lava ku vona loko hakanene ku ta va na ku cinca.